أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
ياسين.
In the name of Allah, the most compassionate, most merciful. Yasin.
والقرآن الحكيم.
By the Quran, rich in wisdom.
إنك لمن المرسلين.
You, O Prophet, are truly one of the messengers.
على صراط مستقيم.
On the straight path.
تنزيل العزيز الرحيم.
This is a revelation from the Almighty, most merciful.
تنذر قوما ما أنذر آباؤهم فهم غافلون.
So that you may warn a people whose forefathers were not warned and so are heedless.
لقد حق القول على أكثرهم فهم لا يؤمنون.
The decree of torment has already been justified against most of them, for they will never believe.
إنا جعلنا في أعناقهم أغلالا فهي إلى الأذقان فهم مقمحون.
It is as if we have put shackles around their necks up to their chins, so their heads are forced up.
وجعلنا من بين أيديهم سدا ومن خلفهم سدا فأغشيناهم فهم لا يبصرون.
And have placed a barrier before them and a barrier behind them and covered them all up, so they fail to see the truth.
وسواء عليهم أنذرتهم أم لم تنذرهم لا يؤمنون.
It is the same whether you warn them or not. They will never believe.
إنما تنذر من اتبع الذكر وخشي الرحمن بالغيب فبشره بمغفرة وأجر كريم.
You can only warn those who follow the reminder and are in awe of the most compassionate without seeing him. So give them good news of forgiveness and an honorable reward.
إنا نحن نحيي الموتى ونكتب ما قدموا وآثارهم وكل شيء أحصيناه في إمام مبين.
It is certainly we who resurrect the dead and write what they send forth and what they leave behind. Everything is listed by us in a perfect record.
واضرب لهم مثلا أصحاب القرية إذ جاءها المرسلون.
Give them an example, O Prophet of the residents of a town, when the messengers came to them.
إذ أرسلنا إليهم اثنين فكذبوهما فعززنا بثالث فقالوا إنا إليكم مرسلون.
We sent them 2 messengers, but they rejected both. So we reinforced the 2 with a third, and they declared, "We have indeed been sent to you as messengers."
قالوا ما أنتم إلا بشر مثلنا وما أنزل الرحمن من شيء إن أنتم إلا تكذبون.
The people replied, "You are only humans like us, and the most compassionate has not revealed anything. You are simply lying."
قالوا ربنا يعلم إنا إليكم لمرسلون.
The messengers responded, "Our Lord knows that we have truly been sent to you.
وما علينا إلا البلاغ المبين.
Our duty is only to deliver the message clearly."
قالوا إنا تطيرنا بكم لئن لم تنتهوا لنرجمنكم وليمسنكم منا عذاب أليم.
People replied, "We definitely see you as a bad omen for us. If you do not desist, we will certainly stone you to death, and you will be touched with a painful punishment from us."
قالوا طائركم معكم أئن ذكرتم بل أنتم قوم مسرفون.
Messengers said, "Your bad omen lies within yourselves. Are you saying this because you are reminded of the truth? In fact, you are a transgressing people."
وجاء من أقصى المدينة رجل يسعى قال يا قوم اتبعوا المرسلين.
And from the farthest end of the city a man came, rushing. He advised, "O my people, Follow the messengers.
اتبعوا من لا يسألكم أجرا وهم مهتدون.
Follow those who ask no reward of you and are rightly guided.
ما لي لا أعبد الذي فطرني وإليه ترجعون.
And why should I not worship the one who has originated me, and to whom you will be returned?
أأتخذ من دونه آلهة إن يردني الرحمن بضر لا تغن عني شفاعتهم شيئا ولا ينقذون.
How could I take besides him other gods whose intercession would not be of any benefit to me, nor could they save me if the most compassionate intended to harm me? Indeed, I would then be clearly astray. I do believe in your Lord, so listen to me.
قيل ادخل الجنة قال يا ليت قومي يعلمون.
But they killed him. Then he was told by the angels, "Enter paradise." He said, "If only my people knew
بما غفر لي ربي وجعلني من المكرمين.
of how my Lord has forgiven me and made me one of the honorable."
وما أنزلنا على قومه من بعده من جند من السماء وما كنا منزلين.
We did not send any soldiers from the heavens against his people after his death, nor did we need to.
إن كانت إلا صيحة واحدة فإذا هم خامدون.
All it took was one mighty blast, and they were extinguished at once.
يا حسرة على العباد ما يأتيهم من رسول إلا كانوا به يستهزئون.
Oh, pity such beings. No messenger ever came to them without being mocked.
ألم يروا كم أهلكنا قبلهم من القرون أنهم إليهم لا يرجعون.
Have the deniers not considered how many peoples we destroyed before them who never came back to life again?
وإن كل لما جميع لدينا محضرون.
Yet they will all be brought before us.
وآية لهم الأرض الميتة أحييناها وأخرجنا منها حبا فمنه يأكلون.
As a sign for them in the dead earth, we give it life, producing grain from it for them to eat.
وجعلنا فيها جنات من نخيل وأعناب وفجرنا فيها من العيون.
And we have placed in it gardens of palm trees and grapevines, and caused springs to gush forth in it.
ليأكلوا من ثمره وما عملته أيديهم أفلا يشكرون.
So that they may eat from its fruit, which they had no hand in making. Will they not then give thanks?
سبحان الذي خلق الأزواج كلها مما تنبت الأرض ومن أنفسهم ومما لا يعلمون.
Glory be to the one who created all things in pairs, be it what the earth produces, their genders, or what they do not know.
وآية لهم الليل نسلخ منه النهار فإذا هم مظلمون.
There is also a sign for them in the night. We strip from it daylight, then, behold, they are in darkness.
والشمس تجري لمستقر لها ذلك تقدير العزيز العليم.
The sun travels for its fixed term. That is the design of the Almighty, all-knowing.
والقمر قدرناه منازل حتى عاد كالعرجون القديم.
As for the moon, we have ordained precise phases for it, until it ends up looking like an old curved palm stalk.
لا الشمس ينبغي لها أن تدرك القمر ولا الليل سابق النهار وكل في فلك يسبحون.
It is not for the sun to catch up with the moon, nor does the night outrun the day. Each is traveling in an orbit of their own.
وآية لهم أنا حملنا ذريتهم في الفلك المشحون.
Another sign for them is that we carried their ancestors with Noah in the fully loaded ark.
وخلقنا لهم من مثله ما يركبون.
And created for them similar things to ride in.
وإن نشأ نغرقهم فلا صريخ لهم ولا هم ينقذون.
If we willed, we could drown them. Then no one would respond to their cries, nor would they be rescued.
إلا رحمة منا ومتاعا إلى حين.
Except by mercy from us, allowing them enjoyment for a little while.
وإذا قيل لهم اتقوا ما بين أيديكم وما خلفكم لعلكم ترحمون.
Still they turn away when it is said to them, beware of what is ahead of you in the hereafter, and what is behind you of destroyed nations, so you may be shown mercy.
وما تأتيهم من آية من آيات ربهم إلا كانوا عنها معرضين.
Whenever a sign comes to them from their Lord, they turn away from it.
وإذا قيل لهم أنفقوا مما رزقكم الله قال الذين كفروا للذين آمنوا أنطعم من لو يشاء الله أطعمه إن أنتم إلا في ضلال مبين.
And when it is said to them, donate from what Allah has provided for you, the disbelievers say to the believers, why should we feed those whom Allah could have fed if He wanted to? You are clearly astray.
ويقولون متى هذا الوعد إن كنتم صادقين.
And they ask the believers, when will this threat come to pass, if what you say is true?
ما ينظرون إلا صيحة واحدة تأخذهم وهم يخصمون.
They must be awaiting a single blast, which will seize them while they are entrenched in worldly disputes.
فلا يستطيعون توصية ولا إلى أهلهم يرجعون.
Then they will not be able to make a last will, nor can they return to their own people.
ونفخ في الصور فإذا هم من الأجداث إلى ربهم ينسلون.
The trumpet will be blown a second time, then, behold, they will rush from the graves to their Lord.
قالوا يا ويلنا من بعثنا من مرقدنا هذا ما وعد الرحمن وصدق المرسلون.
They will cry, woe to us, who has raised us up from our place of rest? This must be what the most compassionate warned us of. The messengers told the truth.
إن كانت إلا صيحة واحدة فإذا هم جميع لدينا محضرون.
It will only take one blast, then at once they will all be brought before us.
فاليوم لا تظلم نفس شيئا ولا تجزون إلا ما كنتم تعملون.
On that day, no soul will be wronged in the least, nor will you be rewarded except for what you used to do.
إن أصحاب الجنة اليوم في شغل فاكهون.
Indeed, on that day, the residents of paradise will be busy enjoying themselves.
هم وأزواجهم في ظلال على الأرائك متكئون.
They and their spouses will be in cool shade, reclining on canopied couches.
لهم فيها فاكهة ولهم ما يدعون.
There they will have fruits and whatever they desire.
سلام قولا من رب رحيم.
And peace will be their greeting from the merciful Lord.
وامتازوا اليوم أيها المجرمون.
Then the disbelievers will be told, step away from the believers this day, O wicked ones.
ألم أعهد إليكم يا بني آدم ألا تعبدوا الشيطان إنه لكم عدو مبين.
Did I not command you, O children of Adam, not to follow Satan, for he is truly your sworn enemy?
وأن اعبدوني هذا صراط مستقيم.
But to worship me alone, this is the straight path.
ولقد أضل منكم جبلا كثيرا أفلم تكونوا تعقلون.
Yet he already misled great multitudes of you. Did you not have any sense?
هذه جهنم التي كنتم توعدون.
This is the hell you were warned of.
اصلوها اليوم بما كنتم تكفرون.
Burn in it today for your disbelief.
اليوم نختم على أفواههم اليوم نختم على أفواههم وتكلمنا أيديهم وتشهد أرجلهم بما كانوا يكسبون.
On this day we will seal their mouths, their hands will speak to us, and their feet will testify to what they used to commit.
ولو نشاء لطمسنا على أعينهم فاستبقوا الصراط فأنى يبصرون.
Had we willed, we could have easily blinded their eyes, so they would struggle to find their way. How then could they see?
ولو نشاء لمسخناهم على مكانتهم فما استطاعوا مضيا ولا يرجعون.
And had we willed, we could have transfigured them on the spot, so they could neither progress forward nor turn back.
ومن نعمره ننكسه في الخلق أفلا يعقلون.
And whoever we grant a long life, we reverse them in development. Will they not then understand?
وما علمناه الشعر وما ينبغي له إن هو إلا ذكر وقرآن مبين.
We have not taught him poetry, nor is it fitting for him. This book is only a reminder and a clear Quran.
لينذر من كان حيا ويحق القول على الكافرين.
Warn whoever is truly alive, and fulfill the decree of torment against the disbelievers.
أولم يروا أنا خلقنا لهم مما عملت أيدينا أنعاما فهم لها مالكون.
Do they not see that we single-handedly created for them, among other things, cattle which are under their control?
وذللناها لهم فمنها ركوبهم ومنها يأكلون.
And we have subjected these animals to them, so they may ride some and eat others.
ولهم فيها منافع ومشارب أفلا يشكرون.
And they derive from them other benefits and drinks. Will they not then give thanks?
واتخذوا من دون الله آلهة لعلهم ينصرون.
Still they have taken other gods besides Allah, hoping to be helped by them.
لا يستطيعون نصرهم وهم لهم جند محضرون.
They cannot help the pagans even though they serve the idols as dedicated guards.
فلا يحزنك قولهم إنا نعلم ما يسرون وما يعلنون.
So do not let their words grieve you, O Prophet. Indeed, we fully know what they conceal and what they reveal.
أولم ير الإنسان أنا خلقناه من نطفة فإذا هو خصيم مبين.
Do people not see that we have created them from a sperm drop? Then, behold, they openly challenge us.
وضرب لنا مثلا ونسي خلقه قال من يحيي العظام وهي رميم.
And they argue with us, forgetting they were created, saying, who will give life to decayed bones?
قل يحييها الذي أنشأها أول مرة وهو بكل خلق عليم.
Say, O Prophet, They will be revived by the one who produced them the first time, for he has perfect knowledge of every created being.
الذي جعل لكم من الشجر الأخضر نارا فإذا أنتم منه توقدون.
He is the one who gives you fire from green trees, and behold, you kindle fire from them.
أوليس الذي خلق السماوات والأرض بقادر على أن يخلق مثلهم بلى وهو الخلاق العليم.
Can the one who created the heavens and the earth not easily resurrect these deniers? Yes, he can, for he is the master creator, all-knowing.
إنما أمره إذا أراد شيئا أن يقول له كن فيكون.
All it takes when he wills something to be is simply to say to it, be, and it is.
فسبحان الذي بيده ملكوت كل شيء وإليه ترجعون.
Glory be to the one in whose hands is the authority over all things, and to whom alone you will all be returned.